Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, prepare by equipping a locator and a lightning shield for safety. Keep your locator calibrated before entering the storm zones. Place a waypoint near obvious storm centers and mark each one as you go. Maintain at least 3-5 meters distance from unstable arcs while observing them. Time observations and look for flashes lasting 3 seconds or longer. If your locator beeps, approach slowly and scan the surroundings. This preparation reduces risk and speeds up finding the lightning keystone. Begin locating by scanning each marked storm center systematically and patiently. Watch for 3 sustained flashes that indicate a keystone spawn location. When your locator beeps, approach from downwind to avoid unpredictable arcs and maintain safety. Scan a 1 to 2 meter radius as you circle the flashing source slowly. Large metal conductors like towers increase spawns and can hold multiple keystones at a 25% chance. Mark each found position and clear surrounding debris. Once you locate a glowing keystone, wait until its glow steadies before picking it up. Ensure the locator stops beeping to confirm the exact position. Equip your lightning shield and prepare a direct route to the shrine or objective. Move quickly because keystones can despawn if not delivered within 60 seconds of pickup. Avoid other conductors by keeping at least 5 meters distance during transport to prevent stray arcs. Deposit the keystone into the shrine to complete the task and claim your reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.